Hi, grade 10 students. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a scope or the chapters that you are going to do when it comes to term 3, and we will also emphasize how your test look like. So watch until the end so that you're gonna learn something. Okay, guys, remember term 3 number 1, we don't have a paper 1 and paper 2. We are going to write only one paper, which is going to be out of 100. Okay, so what you are going to do, guys, is a new chapters. You have never covered them before, so you need to be careful, otherwise it is possible to get 0, and it is also possible to get a total. Okay, so you need more effort. And even though you were doing very well when it come to term 1 and term 2, when you were doing those accounting equation, but this one is very different from what you were doing. Okay, and it's also need preparation in time. Okay, guys, the first topic you're going to deal with a trial balance. Number 1 is going to be a trial balance. On each under trial balance, guys, you're going to do a final account. Okay, a final account, we have a account like a trading stock, and we also have a account where you're going to calculate a profit or loss. Okay, profit or loss account. Okay, so in this chapter, guys, you are expected to know the following words. Number 1, you must be able to know how to calculate a trading stock, surplus, or deficit. You must be able to calculate, is it a trading stock surplus, is it a loss, or is it a profit? Okay, you must also be able to calculate and identify accrued income. In other words, you must first know what is accrued income. It's when somebody is owe us an income, that person is not yet paid us. You must be able to know income received in advance. When we said income received in advance, guys, simply means that we have received somebody's income in advance, which means that that person can come and take that cash. We owe that person a service, because we haven't yet rendered any service to him. We have accrued expense. When we said accrued expense, is when somebody, is when us as a business, we owe someone expense. It's more like we didn't pay our employees. It's accrued expense. We owe employees a salary. Okay, and the last one on this part, know what is prepaid expense. Prepaid expense, guys, is when us as a business, we have paid expense in advance. We have paid the rent for next month. Okay, we paid in advance. So you must be able to identify these words. And also, guys, you must know how to calculate depreciation. It's also very important. How to calculate depreciation, how to calculate interest, both interest income and interest expense. You must be able to calculate that on this chapter. Okay, if you are able to calculate this, guys, it's gonna be easy for you to calculate profit or loss account. Okay, the next chapter, guys, which is very long chapter, and when you're about to choose accounting, guys, everyone tell you about a balance sheet has to balance. This is the chapter that we are going to deal with. Preparation of financial statement. Under preparation of financial statement, guys, number 1, you must be able to prepare income statement. Guys, this kind of question, income statement, it can contain 50 marks. 50 marks is a lot. Okay, and the other one, you must be able to prepare a balance sheet, or you call it a statement of financial position. Okay, you must be able to do that. Okay, then after that, you must remember that when you prepare a balance sheet, guys, there is a note that you need to prepare. Note to statement of financial position. Even income statement, it also contains a note of income, interest income, and interest expense. But most notes are here under balance sheet. We have a lot of notes that you need to prepare, and those notes, they also contain a lot of marks. Okay, so this is the first two chapters, guys, that you have to know. But before we go to the last two chapters, guys, this is what I want to emphasize. Ne? So I know that we have a lot of students who have been following us since January. Some of you haven't subscribed to this channel. Some of you already subscribed. Please, let's push it, guys. We want to make sure that we reach 100,000 subscribers. Ne? The more you push subscribers, the more you are also pushing us to do what, to do more videos. And also, guys, this is what I want to mention again. Remember, your term 3 is going to start on the 2 of July, but our term 3 is going to start immediately on the 1st of July. We'll be starting with the work of term 3, basically at the end of June, guys, because we are not closing this tutorial. We are going to be doing the preparation of everything here, because this preparation, guys, it need a lot of time, because you will find that you are still struggling to balance the balance sheet, to prepare income statement and the notes. So it need time, and it need a lot of example that we have to do, so that at least you will be capturing bit by bit. You can't cover this within a week, guys. You are taking chances if you want to try that. So come and attend, join others. It's only 100 rand, guys, per subject for the whole month. Make sure that you do that. And also, guys, the special videos, the videos like a full video for a test, we normally update them in time. However, we don't open them for everyone, but for only those who join a membership, which is only a 9 rand. The other one is 19 rand for the whole month. So if you want to watch them early, make sure that you join the membership. And also, guys, the other student, they were asking about the study guide. Yes, we have a study guide, guys, but it's only soft copy, which is costing only 100 rand. So if you want Accounting Solution SA study guide, in order for you to get exam papers and the test papers that are in order, just make sure that you contact us. It's only 100 rand per copy. It's a soft copy, only 100 rand. Don't ask us about a delivery, guys. A soft copy is a soft copy, not a hard copy like this paper. We can't sell a paper like this by 100 rand. To print out is very expensive, because it have so many pages, because it's from term 1 up to term 4, which means that it's still useful even when you write your final examination. Okay, so just make sure that you order one for yourself. And also, guys, if you want to also support us, we have decided to open the option. If you want to purchase our t-shirt, guys, they are now available. The price of the t-shirt, guys, is only 190. But remember, we are from different provinces, which means that it needs to be delivered. So the delivery, if we're using PEP, is 60 rand, which means that it's gonna be plus 60 rand, then which means that the total cost is going to come back to 250. We have a different colors. You just choose your own size, then we're gonna make it for you, and we deliver to the nearest paper where you're going to do what, to collect. Yeah, just make sure that you communicate with your parents so that they can help you to support the channel, so that it can keep moving, so that when you go to grade 11, you will find it existing. Because if things are not doing good, guys, you will just find all the videos without any new update. We have to make sure that we keep pushing it. Okay, now let's talk about the last chapter, guys. The last chapter is about analysis and interpretation. Okay, analysis and interpretation, guys, is the same as a ratio. So here, guys, you're going to be given a formula sheet where you're going to calculate these ratios and you interpret them, the results. What is the meaning of the results? It's very simple chapter, which I believe that it's not gonna take you much when you're preparing it. So this chapter, guys, you're going to do it for 2 weeks when you're a teacher, but this one you're gonna do it for 4 weeks with your teacher, and this other one you're gonna do it for 3 weeks. So we don't have a lot of time, if you can check here, to prepare everything that you're going to write about. So like I said, guys, term 3 test will be 100 marks. And before the test, guys, remember there is a project about these chapters. Ne? The project will be out of 50 marks. So it's possible, guys, to get 100 when it comes to your report. Ne? So just make sure, imagine just only 3 chapters. I know it's a long, but you can make it. You can make it. So I hope you learned something. Let's meet on the other video.